Hello and welcome to Google Classroom tutorial. Today we're going to talk about topics. How can we create a topic on Google Classroom? The first thing, if you did never started a new class, you have to click on the plus sign here, create a class, and put a name. And for me, I will be putting 101 Google Classroom tutorial. And section 01, the subject will be how to create a topic, and the room is 01. All right, we are set up for our class. Now we wait just a little bit to see how our class is gonna look like. After here, we go straight to classroom. Don't worry about all the other things. We're gonna talk about that later, but we're gonna go to classwork. And from classwork, we will click on create. From create, you go all the way on the bottom, it says topic. And for the name of your topic, because this is for your classroom, we will put like important resources and links. This is for your student, like that. If you have like important like videos or reading that they have to do, or other sources that you want to share with the student, you can just add it there, like that the student knows that you can go and get their resource, their information from this topic. And you can see on the screen you have your important resource link topic, and it's always going to be the top part of an assignment, and you can put all the top assignment on the bottom over here, and on the left you can see the topic. That's it for today. Have a great day. Bye bye.